Yee.
I think we need to lay down one more. Yeah, where's the tasso vase?
No, it's right there.
That's so cool.
The tazo
Can you
vase.
believe it?
So PIF, and then a bin full of
perfect
PIF. And all these are for PIF. And then yes, this is for Yaya. Ako ang sweldo. Another
Toothbrush.
half, ano pa? Right. Thank you. So, muna ako ang TF. Oh, di ba? Makita ra ni mo niya sa kuan sa garage ceiling, and then she's sa kabahayan. Thank you, kabayan.
Send me a link to 64 too.
Sana all. Bago lang kaayo, bago lang gid sa tanan, as in. Wala issue. Ay na issue di ay nawala iyahang nasa
Diba yun?
extra kawakwakan. Ah, perfect siya lab kay na
Yeah.
koy.
Someday.
So hot be blast the aircon. So naatay nakita po na ako ni siya sa yard selling, garage selling, and this is authentic branded MK. So kung mangita mo kuan guys, mga luxurious nga mga bag-bag. Ato na lang mga nindot nga mga neighborhood ana. Oh, sige. Pero chamba-chamba lang po na siya makita kag mga kawakwakan like this. Natsambahan ako siya for $10. And ayan, this is the perfect one kay MK gyapon ni siya, pero di siya bagay kasi ang iyang yung hardware is silver or sa tawag na yung color, and then this one is gold. So perfect siya. MK goes to Coach. I-try na to. So ayan, perfect. Oh, diba? Goldie.
You knew it was matching something, didn't you?
It's matching. Again guys, this is for mine now. This is for Yaya, mine now. Then later on, of course, I'll let it go. Okay? Because that's how it is. That's how our kawakwakan works. Kabayan pa good. What a small world. She is a Filipina. They just moved
Bisaya.
from California. It's a big move, ha? Kay.
She said she didn't like it here very much.
Yeah, because it's going to be boring.
Boring. They're
But-
retired.
They're retired. So Tasso said, how about get an RV and then go travel?
So yeah, the gas is so expensive.
Good thing we
what's this here,
did.
babe? Car show.
Hala, car show lang. Good thing we did RV
Yes,
traveling for many years. 2-3 years we did RV lab now. Blast the aircon kasi akong ilok is real. Max. So,
Look, airplane, jet plane.
okay, next to the next destination.
Yeah, which one is it? babe? It's your matcha.
On the way to the house bitaw lab. Kato itang kuan.